why should clients choose private banks over A and B? What would be the different situation where borrowers would need a C solution, private solution, than A or B?
Yeah, so there's a few solutions where we get those deals. Sometimes it's at the last second, a deal falls apart at a bank branch. You know what, the income didn't qualify or down payment wasn't acceptable. For whatever reason, the deal falls apart. Now they need a short-term fix to close their mortgage. They might be able to get an alternative deal, but they don't have enough time to get it, right? So they just need a quick closing, right? We can close a deal in 2 to 5 days, right? So we have that ability if you know what we need and you process things quickly on your side. A lot of the time, otherwise, where it's not just a deal falling apart, it could be a client has multiple properties or a property that's up for sale that hasn't sold yet, but you have bought another property. So you're kind of in between two properties. So we can create a bridge solution on those ones. And in general, we have the ability to help clients who have multiple properties, right? So we don't have a restriction on the amount of properties a client can own. We don't necessarily have a dollar cap, right? So we have flexibilities that way, especially when there are a lot more guidelines and restrictions in the marketplace on rentals, right? So it's becoming a little bit more difficult to finance those on the institutional side. So we can help fill that gap.
If in general, what I have seen is, at least for my sake, one of the big reason why I use private lenders is if my clients are stuck last minute, right? Or if somebody comes to me last minute, hey, I already have my file with the TD or RBC, CIBC, and I'm not hearing back from the mortgage agent. Can you help me, right?
Yeah.
Or they might need a backup solution just in case if they need something last minute, they need to have a mortgage commitment in place, right? So just for their safety net, it always helped them, for us to go an extra mile for our clients and have that safety net in case they need it, right?
That's right. They should have come to Team Boweja first, right?
Yeah. So what are the different kind of mortgage products that you guys offer within the Vault Capital?
Yeah. So in the private lending space, there are quite a bit of products, right? There's second mortgages, there's construction mortgages, there's first mortgages. There's a lot of different types of mortgages. What we've decided to do at Vault is do one thing and lean right into it, right? So what we've done really well is position ourselves as a near B first mortgage lender, right? So that's what we want to be known for at Vault and be the best at it in this industry, right? So when that deal just misses that B side, we want to be your first call and we want to be able to offer the best service pricing on that private side for that, right? So we've decided to focus in on one versus offering a little bit of everything, right? So we do offer that. We have a separate division for commercial lending, so we can help people with their larger commercial files, right? So we have that ability too, but from the residential side purely, we're looking for those stronger first mortgages.
If we talk about the commercial sides, what are the different type of properties you like to see and fund?
Yeah. So on the commercial side, there's so many different types of deals, right? There's land deals, there's mixed use, individual condo units. At Vault, I would defer to our specialists on that side, but typically we'd be looking at multifamily, multi-res. We'd be looking at some stuff that's more industrial buildings, right? So we would want something that's 2 million to 25 million typically on that side of the business. So a little bit more larger scale, not the small individual kind of units.
And is it the same kind of concept where you would like to give them the term of 3 months to 12 months period, and then they can eventually move their file over to the other side?
Yeah, that's the same idea, right? So we want to be known as that transitionary lender. You're not coming here for a long time. You're coming here for a short time and to create that exit, right? Just to bridge you that gap. Yeah.